Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you a very simple and effective way to fix a faulty zipper on your blouse without stress. If your zipper keeps opening or getting stuck or not closing properly, this step-by-step method will help you fix it neatly and professionally. So let's get started. So to begin, we have our blouse that we want to install our zipper. It is a lace fabric that we are using. There is a back panel of it. So we are working on one side of the panel first, one side of the back panel. So it's an off shoulder blouse. So I'm marking 1 inch all the way down from the top to the downside 1 inch. After marking 1 inch, I came up by 2.5 inches. Then at that point of 2.5, I will place my zipper. So we are using a stone zipper. I will turn the zipper the right side, facing the right side of the fabric. So I will use my pin to secure it. I will pin it all the way up, just the way I am going to sew it. So after pinning it all the way up, I am going to pin the other side of the panel as well. So after pinning this other side, I will flip the zipper open, turn it to the other side, then I will carry the other panel, and then I'm going to also mark 1 inch on that panel as well, which I have already done. So I am going to pin my zipper on that 1 inch seam allowance line. Remember, I came up by 2.5 because I don't want the zipper to be at the hem of the blouse. So I'll pin it all the way up. After pinning it down to the up side, I am going to sew the points, those lines that I put my pin. I'm going to sew it all the way down. So after securing the zipper with our sewing machine, the upper part of the zipper, we are not leaving it like that. I removed some stones around that area to enable me fold the zipper head backwards. So I'll fold it and sew it. So let's go to our sewing machine so that we are going to install this zipper together. So to finish the upper part of the zipper, you have to flip the zipper head upwards, just the way I did. Fold it to the back side, use your pin to secure it, then use your sewing machine to sew it. After sewing it, you are done. You now turn the front part of the blouse and hold firm the two sides of the zipper head. We are done, so I am going to show you the finished look of the blouse. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, leave a comment and share it to someone who loves sewing. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy sewing tutorials. See you in my next video. I'm Lois Ada.